Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, gold, I mean, every single day I come out here and I make a video about gold, and I say the trend is your friend with gold. We are in a wave 3 on every single time frame. We're in an uptrend on every single time frame, and there's no reason to say that this uptrend is over on any time frame. So even if you are a scalper, I definitely still would be recommending longs in an uptrend. I got my Fibonacci extension on the last impulsive wave, and I got it projected out the bottom of the last correction. You know, the 100% area could be an area of resistance, but it definitely doesn't have to be. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'd like to throw my Fibonacci retracement on here, but we don't even have a break of structure to the downside on the 1 hour. Most recent structure is right here. This little move down right here could just be a pullback to this last wave up. We could end up making another higher low, and we could end up continuing the uptrend again. Like I said, every single day I've been recommending nothing but longs, and definitely nothing has changed. Even the 1 hour time frame is in an uptrend right now. 1 hour is in an uptrend, 4 hours uptrend, daily uptrend, weekly uptrend, monthly uptrend. There's no reason whatsoever to think that these uptrends are complete yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.